Oh, I never did that before. Okay, sorry. I just went boop when it started recording. Yeah. Yeah. So anyways, I'm Jocelyn, the J in WSNJ, and I'm really sorry for the really bad lighting in here, but it would be really, really hard to drag a 500-pound piano upstairs with the lights better. But anyways, yes. I'm going to play a song, and don't count how many times I just said because yeah, just don't. Sorry. I'm going to be playing Blame It on the Rain by He Is We. Playing and singing. I'm going to attempt to. I've already attempted like 4 times, and it was a fail. Really bad. I kept forgetting the words and forgetting how to play, but I have them right here, so wahaha. So, should be good. Hold on just a second. I know I'm rude. Okay, yeah, anyways. Okay, I'll do it now. Ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, hold on. You got me caught in all this mess. I guess we could blame it on the rain. My pain is knowing I can't have you. I can't have you. Tell me, does she look at you the way I do? Try to understand the words you say and the way you move. Does she get the same big rush when you go in for a hug and your cheeks brush? Tell me, am I crazy? Am I crazy? I catch my breath, the one you I catch my breath, the one you took, the moment you entered the room. My heart, it breaks at the thought of her holding you. Does she look at you the way I do? Try to understand the words you say and the way you move. Does she get the same big rush when you go in for a hug and your cheeks brush? Tell me, am I crazy? Or is this more than a crush? Maybe I'm alone in this, but I find peace in solitude, knowing if I had but just one kiss, this whole room would be glowing. We'd be glowing. We'd be glowing. Does she look at you the way I do? Try to understand the words you say and the way you move. Does she get the same big rush when you go in for a hug and your cheeks brush? Tell me, am I crazy? Or is this more than a crush? Yay! Okay, so I got all the way through that time. Hooray! I still messed up though, and I'm really sorry. But yeah, that was my attempt. I think it was pretty good trying to learn it yesterday, considering I only did it for like 1 day. But yeah, so that was okay. I might put that one up, maybe not. And if I did, congratulations, you got me to put it up. But yeah. So, check out our other videos and stuff. I don't know the point because I guess I don't know. I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. But yes. Again, that was "Blame It on the Rain" by He Is We, and I'll actually learn how to play that on YouTube. They were you just look it up, okay? Actually, I might put it somewhere on here. But yeah, check out our other videos. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is where I start to babble. So I'm just gonna go, bye!